If you are facing the perplexing unknown USB device error on your computer, do not worry, as we have a straightforward solution. Begin by accessing the Device Manager. You can do this by simply searching for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and opening it. Once Device Manager is open, locate and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Within this section, you will find entries for USB Root Hub. Right-click on each USB Root Hub and select the option to update the drivers. It is crucial to repeat this driver update process for all listed USB Root Hub entries to ensure a comprehensive fix. If updating the USB Root Hub drivers does not resolve the unknown USB device error, the next step involves performing a System File Checker scan. This tool can help identify and repair corrupted system files that might be causing the issue. To initiate an SFC scan, open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Search for command prompt in your Windows search bar, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, carefully type the command sfc/scan_now and then press Enter. This will begin the scan and repair process for your system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.